Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can verify your Bybit account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Bybit app on your phone. Now let's go back from over here, and just when you have opened it up and signed up, right away in the home screen you will find this option of verify now. You're going to tap on it, verify now. You can see you have to simply verify for you to get this all benefits. Tap on verify now. You simply have to choose what you will provide the document, your passport, driver's license, ID card, residence permit, whatever you prefer. Once you've chosen, tap on confirm. Simply allow the access to the camera, and now you're gonna simply go ahead and choose if you're residents or not. Then tap on continue. Click a picture of your front ID and back ID and upload it. Once you have done that, you will be able to simply go for the further steps where you have to provide more information, and then once you have provided all of them, you will be able to confirm and get verified likewise. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.